Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. If you don't know me, my name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking that link below. I would really appreciate it. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about UBC, the Ultimate Branding Course, okay? Before I get into that though, I'm going to show you what bonuses that I give my customers when you do join. Now, if you have come across UBC or if you've come across Master Resale Rights, you know that UBC have made the decision to transition into an affiliate marketing style business model, which I 100% agree with, by the way, for many different reasons. But before I get into that, let me just show you my private community that I'm going to give my customers of UBC access to. Now, this is a free community, okay? Rightly so. So I've created a couple of different courses in here for you guys to get access to for free. But what I'm doing for my UBC customers is I've created a section inside my community that I'm going to give you access to when you obviously purchase UBC from me, hopefully, if you want to go that path. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to create, I've got my shared funnel that I've got linked here. Okay, that is my funnel that I'm going to give to you so you can just get set up really quickly. I've created an email sequence for you as well, so you can just click that and it transfers it all to your free autoresponder system as well, all ready to go with one click. And that takes away hours and hours of you creating anything yourself. You don't have to. You might want to do that later on, but when you're getting started, let's simplify the process for you. Let me try and speed up this process. You don't have to spend hours, maybe days sometimes, creating funnels and emails. Okay, this template links there for you. I've also created a landing page for stan.store. Okay, now I love stan.store. It is my first choice when it comes to having a storefront, if that's the path you want to take. So I've created a landing page for UBC there. I've also got 90 days of content ideas for you. So you can go through them, you can amend them to suit your own audience and your own niche, okay? But it's there as a starting point for you, 90 days of content. And I've given you my personal ebook template as well. Now you can edit that and make it your own, and you can use that as your own lead magnet as well. So that in itself is really good value. But in addition to that, I'm also going to give you a one-to-one call with me. As soon as you purchase UBC and you've told me you're in and I've got a notification and confirmation, then boom, you can book that call with me. I'm going to add a link inside of here. So any members who get access to this will have access to booking that call with me. And that's another bonus I'm giving to my customers. Okay, so that is my community. And we'll have weekly calls as well, by the way, just to answer any questions you have about not just your UBC, about anything online to create your business and take yourself to that next stage. Okay, so I'm going to try and align that with UBC, but at the end of the day, I'm here for your growth. Let's get back to UBC. So UBC is transitioning to affiliate, okay, and there's many reasons for that. There's people out there that were underselling the course, they were selling it for pennies, they were creating false receipts to get people into the community without having to pay. And under a Master Resale Rights license, that was really difficult to police. Now, UBC are not the only ones to do this. Roadmap were the first to transition away from MRR towards affiliate marketing. Okay, now UBC, DWA, and Digital Boss Academy, DBA, have done the same thing. Okay, UBC is amazing. It's my number one now. Okay, it's what I've aligned with. I align with it so much, and I've got many courses under my belt and in my business. But I'm all in with UBCs in my business. It's in my community, as I've just shown you. The reason for that is because it's a simple step-by-step process. So it'll take people from beginners right through to advanced. So, and everything in between. And the education has been created by people who've been in the industry for 4 decades. So it's not a course that's been created on the back of another course. This is a course that's been created based off of experience. And since announcing the transition to affiliate marketing, they have just told us today, actually, time of recording this, that they have brought in a multiple 8-figure earner to give us additional training inside the UBC course itself. Now, this is going to be amazing. Okay, so if you are thinking of starting an online business, look no further. So for a one-time payment with UBC of $499, which at the time of recording this is around about £400 in the UK, you not only get all my bonuses, but you can also get 85% commissions for promoting this course yourself, if you choose to. You don't have to. It's now an affiliate style program, so you get paid 85% commissions. Now, you're purchasing an education, knowledge, okay? This knowledge is going to be with you forever. You're going to learn high income skills here. So that's like peanuts, okay? That's pennies when you look at the education you're getting. And 85% commissions, pretty amazing for an affiliate style program, okay? So if you look at the modules here, it's just in so much depth. There's new modules added already since they announced the transition to affiliate. Okay, these are new modules. The module of reselling mastery, how your first 72 hours is new. The sales machine is new. The sales with AI is new. That's it, is it? Okay, value videos, okay, YouTube, TikTok live strategies, fantastic. Okay, that's 2 hours and 14 minutes for that one particular bit of training there. But what I love about UBC is they break it down into small steps, short videos. So you watch the video, you take action. You watch the video, you take action. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, you will not be sorry when you purchase this. This is another level. There's so much energy in this course. It's just brilliant. So, and it's in English, French, Dutch, Portuguese. Okay, 4 different languages created by people in the industry for 4 decades. So what you're buying here is quality. So I hope that helps and resonates with you a little bit. Okay, and don't forget, when you get this from me, I'll leave a link below. You get access to my community as well, where you get access to me, weekly calls, and all my bonuses that I've just shown you inside my community. Really hope that's something you seriously want to consider, okay? Because it's just going to be an exciting year for UBC, and I'd really love for you to be part of that come on the journey with me, right? So have a look at it. All the information's down below via that link, and I hope to see you on the inside soon. Don't forget, click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Have a good day.